Hey, everybody. Good afternoon. It's Drew Hopley. It is August 1st, 2022. I can't believe how quickly the summer's going. Hope everyone's having a wonderful summer. This is just a brief market update. Just wanted to come to you guys. The summer's winding down. It's been a little bit different here this summer, right? We've seen a good bit less demand on our listings, but generally stuff is still selling. And our buyers are finding that the waters they're navigating are a little bit easier, right? What I wanted to kind of come to you guys today with is just a kind of a plea to, if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you want to discuss something, we would love to kind of just let you guys know what we're seeing. I think the biggest thing that we're seeing right now is a lot of misinformation that our clients are experiencing about what's happening in the market, right? So if you watch the national news or you're reading articles that are not local, you might really think that the sky is falling in, okay? And what I think is really important to note is that our market is still moving along, okay? If you look at sort of what's been happening over the last few months, the units that have been listed on the market are actually down from May and June. And the units sold, they are down a little bit, okay? But it's still fairly well. So what that is basically telling us is that there's a little bit less transactional volume, right? It just means that there's a fewer people that are wanting to dive into this environment. But things are still moving, okay? All this noise and all this speculation about a bubble, that's just not something that we're really anticipating or seeing right now, okay? Prices continue to be stable. Demand is there, right? If you're looking at the recency of it, it's not as crazy as it's been, but stuff is still selling, okay? Our buyers are finding that they're able to, push through some offers that have better terms than they've had before. So it's just an interesting time, okay? We would love to be your hyper-local source and just kind of guide you guys through, right? And we'll see what happens. If things change and, things worsen or, we're going to let you know. But right now it's sort of status quo. August is typically a little bit slow. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in August. And then coming into after Labor Day in the fall, we're excited about the market that we're kind of getting into here. So we're here for you guys if you need anything. And as always, call us. Don't listen to the sky is falling narratives. Real estate is hyper-local. We are in one of the best economies in the country right here locally. We got the biggest employer in our backyard, the United States government. So anyways, guys, have a great summer. Talk to you soon. Peace.